Hello students, welcome to class 7 St. Thomas School. Lesson number 3, our courts. Last we had discussed about the story of Lalji Mukhi and Gabbar. Lalji Mukhi filed a case against the Gabbar and did not satisfied at the local level, and afterwards Gabbar was set free at the lower court and Lalji Mukhi reapplied to the high court and got justice. These points we can understand that if you are not satisfied, we can appeal to the high court also. In things to know, we should understand that every district has a criminal court. Policemen arrest criminals on the basis of complaints filed against them, get punishment, penalty, imprisonment, death sentence on the basis of the crime committed by him or her. Theft, robbery, dual murder, physical harm, any kind of fights come under criminal cases. First information report is registered in the police. It is valid for the any kind of investigation in court and other level. FIR is very important in the cases when it is registered. Then one more story was given. Jamshedji was a magician and was living in Ratanpur village, and his house got robbed. So he came out and shouted for the help. But meanwhile, the theft escaped from there. Then what should he do? The question is that what he should do? He had to call a police immediately, because police can come and catch it and file a case against the unknown thief. Next, Jugnu was a very cruel man and every villager was afraid of him. One social worker came to know. Then she filed a case against him to save the people from his terror. He was tried in court, but lady lost the case because no one dared to speak against him. Jugnu, however, people is afraid of him, stood for the witness against him, and without fear the verdict was given in favor of the people, and Jugnu got punishment for this. So dear students, we should always raise our voice against the injustice in our society. That is the main aspect for this lesson is given here. We should understand and abide by the law. This is a picture of a one mock court. Mock court means it is for the dramatic picturization. In many Hindi movies like Jolly LLB and all, a very best example of court is given. If you are free, you can see some of the beautiful scene of that court, how the injustice convert into the justice in Jolly LLB's case. So there are many Hindi movies have a great impact on our court system. Then in think point, what we can see in the court we can see judge, petitioner, lawyer, witnesses, and all type of cases are heard in the court, civil and criminal. Court is giving verdicts for the justice. No person should get injustice if it is there in the court. If court does not pass any verdict, we can go for the PIL. We can pass the PIL. And in that PIL, we can have the High Court level hearing. And if you do not have money, then we can apply to the Public Prosecutor Service, government law services free of cost to us. We can apply to the Public Prosecutor, Sarkari Vakil also we can hire it. and that is a very good points. Next session we will understand more about it. Till then I remain. Thank you.